Hello everyone, how it's going? I hope you all are fine. My name is Mr.FJ and I have created a channel for you guys in which I try to help you in the best way possible. I make the videos about the computer problems or about the internet problems you guys have. And now these problems can be related to your Windows or your social sites like Facebook, Twitter. It can be about the Mac or about the YouTube. In my videos, I always tried my best to give you the best way possible to solve your problem in a very easy way, which will help you to overcome any problem you have, so you don't get the sad phase and suicide. My page name is Mr.FJ and I want you to subscribe it